Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a current backup and gathering tools so you don't halt later. Once backed up, shut down and ground yourself to avoid ESD damage. Clips or an anti-static strap help. Use the P5 pentalobe to remove the 10 lower case screws and lift the cover. Do this gently because clips can bend. Make sure you can see the logic board and the SSD module at the top right. Once visible, you're ready to move to the internal steps. Next, disconnect the battery connector using a plastic spudger to avoid shorting the board. This prevents power while you work. Then remove the small T5 screw that anchors the blade SSD. Lift the module up at about a 30 degrees angle and slide it out along its connector to avoid bending pins. Insert the replacement SSD in the same angled motion until it seats, press it down flat, and reinstall the T5 screw to secure it. Finally, reconnect the battery and confirm the connector is fully seated. Reinstall the lower case and tighten the P5 screws evenly so the chassis seats correctly. Power on while holding Command-Option-R to start internet recovery. Use Disk Utility to format the new SSD as apps with a GUID partition map, then proceed to install Mac OS or restore from your Time Machine backup. If the drive doesn't appear, power down and reseat the SSD and screw. Make sure the screw isn't too long. If problems persist, reset NVRAM and the SMC before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.